This is why I have a P.O. box. I got some other stuff too. Sam sent me, nope, not a Porsche flag. Is this like freaking Wales? What is this? Ow. And my man's Philip sent me, haha, yes. This is a big boy Mitsubishi flag. Nice. This is another Mitsubishi flag. I'll use it, I don't care. This is another Mitsubishi flag. Boys, we got a problem, okay? We got a problem on our hands.
So we are back with another YouTube call-out video. So the people that I'm going to invite here is number one, Doug DeMuro, guys from MBT, formerly MBT, Bobby Collins, Jacob Nicely, and of course, Ryan Royce, JR Garage, and Evan Shanks, the RICER himself. Evan Shanks, the RICER himself.
Really? Really, Mike? Really? Hello? Street Speed, I got some news for you, buddy. You're going down. Sorry, could you guys hear that? I don't know. I obviously don't know how to set up a camera. Hey guys, Streetspeed717 here. Today what I'm gonna do is use an insane title to describe my extremely average day, where I'm probably going to go drive my McLaren under a bridge one time and then sit in my garage and talk for 17 minutes. Actually, you know what? I'm not sure how you can use this $100 camera, Mike. I'm gonna use my real camera so we can have some genuine content here. There we go. I don't know how you wear glasses on the inside all the time too. A RICER, huh? A RICER. I'm a little offended, Mike. I thought we were homies. I mean, you did, when I owned my Miata, you did destroy my Miata, and I forgave that, but this is over the line. On the last call out Mike had, I drove out my 80 horsepower Miata and I raced, and I had a great time. But now he's gonna call his homie out like he's a RICER. Unfortunately, you know, I liked Mike, but now this means war. This is serious business. If you guys don't know, probably already do, but I recently bought an Evo 10, and my goals for this car are to make a lot of power and to put little twerps like Streetspeed717 to shame and shut them up. You know, I never really had any intentions on taking this build slowly by any means, but Street Speed's call out is for the end of April 29th, and that's a good month away. We have a lot of stuff to do to this Evo, but this motivates me even more to get what I need to get done. I've got a lot of stuff that I was just recently shipped to me, and instead of me telling you about it, let me show you what's going on. As I showed you guys the other day when we straight piped, or at least made a mildly custom exhaust for the Evo, which is not done yet. For those of you who are blind and can't hear, the exhaust isn't finished yet, and it will be next week.
I don't care that it's the unfinished exhaust, it ain't done yet.
Before I tell you this, before I show you what's going on, I just have the sickest video idea. So I'm getting this Corvette ZR1 delivered to me. Craziest title idea, okay? My house is here, right? My garage is here. I'm gonna tell them to deliver the car right over there. And guess what? I'm gonna title the video, "They delivered my CR1 to the wrong place." And you guys are gonna believe me. Ironically enough, I don't really have a nice place to put this camera while I'm unboxing stuff, but this is gonna have to do. I showed you guys the other day that I got Deechworks injectors and the rest of the fuel system. I've got the injectors and I've got the fuel pump right here. This pump and these injectors specifically are going to get me to the goal that I want. I've got a lot more stuff. I have a lot of stuff to unbox. This is 3 out of 6 boxes. 3 out of 6 boxes right here. There was a lot of people last video that thought that this was the only part of the fuel system that I was going to be running. Not necessarily true. So my long-term, I want to say my long-term goal for this Evo is to make at least 600 to 700 horsepower. But right now, here in a few weeks, I want to have a conservative low boost tune of about 450 on stock motor. Once that motor gets blown up, then I want to make serious power, because then I'm going to build it, I'm going to have a whole new radium surge tank and that sort of thing. But for now, I'm just doing a fun, easy build while this motor is still here and alive. Got some screws. I don't want to take this out of the packaging yet. But let me tell you what, boys, it's beautiful. This is my radium fuel line. So good. Get this crap out of here. This is the tube I'm gonna stick up Mike's butt when I whoop his booty. I'm just kidding. That's gross. I actually don't know what these are, but we're gonna figure it out. Ooh. Radium, why? You really gonna be so basic you gonna look like a Starbucks symbol? I like that. I like that. Hey, we're gonna dress this engine up nice. We got a this nice fuel pressure gauge right here. Boys. I don't honestly know what any of this is, to be completely just for real with you. I ordered so much stuff that I literally can't even remember what I ordered. As you can see here, this is a booster cocoon. Are you freaking kidding me? I gotta start talking like R-Spec Ryan. I am struggling hard. It's a fuel pulse damper. That's nice. All right, so here in this box, we've got my whole fuel system pretty much, at least for now, which is gonna be litty titty. Now that that's done, I've got a few more boxes for you boys. Oh, never mind. These are my Hellcat hood inserts for the Jeep. That is not for the Evo. Will not affect speed at all. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, yes. It's one big freaking radiator, boys. Let me tell you what. Oh, that's a big boy. Yo. Ow. So far, oh, it smells bad. This is what we got so far. This is an MA Performance big intercooler. I'm gonna make this thing safe. Oh, doctor, I've got some stuff in here. That's a lot of stuff. Oh, that is a lot of goods. So this here is literally all intercooler piping and stickers and a shirt, which I'm assuming they want me to get nude and put my shirt on. Got a cylinder, I got a clutch master cylinder because the second that you put any extra force on this clutch, it just pops. I still have the downpipe coming, and I still have the turbo manifold on the way. Evo X, street speed's pretty crappy. I don't know what this is. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's obviously a lot of stuff in here. We've got a lot of big boy parts to install, and now that Street Speed called us out, well, I now have kind of a time crunch. I'd really like to set myself a tuning date so that I can basically push myself to get this car done. Now, the turbo is currently being built. I'll let you know, it's a big boy. I'll show you when it gets here. It's a big boy from Comp Turbo, and oh my God. Turbo is currently being built, and it should be shipped out the end of this week. And I'm really excited to show you guys what it is, and I'm excited to get this Evo build started. I was going to start it this week, but we literally are still getting stuff in, and I don't want to have the car down until I can fully just go ham with it. Plus I still need to get a state inspection with this guy, and kind of just want to drive it because I have a lot of stuff we have to do this week. We just dropped our 5.3 Season 3, which, by the way, if you want any of this, grab it. We just dropped 5.3 Season 3, so Victoria is using the Jeep. She's using the SRT right now, so I'm gonna be using this. I can't really daily drive this, so that's a big deal. But I'm super stoked that we got all the radium stuff. The radium stuff's gonna be awesome, and all this stuff for the Evo is just gonna be so mad. Really quickly, I wanna see what's in the rest of this box. There's a lot of stuff in here, and I want to actually take it all apart. Okay. New clutch master, nice. Screamy pipe, nice. Oh, what is the SPC? Woo! Nice meme. More wieners, more wieners, more wieners. I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. Fuel filter gang, size does matter, ladies. I literally have, okay, gaskets, brackets, this and that. I don't know what that is. That's more fuel line stuff. That's more stuff. This is more stuff. Intercooler piping. Ooh, that's nice. I'm telling you boys what, all this stuff here is gonna make for such an exciting build. I'm gonna bring this and put it all in Mike's McLaren. The really fun thing is that I am most excited about is I'm going to be doing the whole build myself. I'm obviously probably going to have some friends here with me. I'm excited because I can work on my own timing and I don't have to wait for a shop to do my stuff. And the only limiting factor is gonna be me, how hard I want to put in work every single day to make this Evo great again. I do have kind of a limitation, kind of a deadline, because this car's supposed to go in for paint April 6th. So I might have to start hauling some ass. If anything, I can just get the intercooler done, I can get the fuel system on and everything like that, and I can get the car tuned just to make a pretty reasonable amount of power. But the goal is to have the turbo installed and everything like that before this event. I had so much fun while I was out there last time, and I had an 80 horsepower Miata. I think it'll be really fun this time around, but I think it'll be really fun in a car that makes a reasonable amount of power that I don't have to lose to everything. Even though I had fun, I lost to literally everything. And it actually looked like this the entire time I was in Pennsylvania last time too. If anything, we've got the big mother mobile, the big father, mother, brother SUV mobile. Mike, I hope you know we're coming for you. I'll bring this if I have to, but I don't want to do that because it's a drift car. I'm coming for you, Mike. You better check it. You better get ready. We've got a lot to do. I love you, Mike, and I hope to see you at the end of April. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for more Evo stuff or Jeep stuff or Lexus stuff. I don't know. I have lots of stuff I do. Peace out, boys. Y'all already know. Be victorious. Mike, you're going down. Make sure you guys watch one of those 2 videos. I got 2 videos right in front of you. You can click on one of them or both of them. The left one, the right one. I don't know, but guess what? Both of them is good. They both good. Seriously, watch those 2 videos, please.